Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechWest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can convert coins on your crypto.com. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you have to log in into your crypto.com. And once you're logged into your account, tap on trade in the top left corner of your screen. And as you tap on it, a drop down box will appear, so you need to tap on buy. And once you're on this page, you have to tap on crypto wallet right on top. So after that, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy or that you want to convert it. Since I want to go with the Bitcoin, so just tap on it. So once you're done selecting, there's a drop down menu. So right on this page, you have to select on crypto wallet, which is right in center. So once you're on this page, you can see right at the bottom there are two different options. So right on this page, you have to select the crypto that you want to convert it. So since I want to go with the CRO, so all I have to do is just tap on it. And after that, you also have to enter the amount of cryptos. So after that, you have a confirmation. So you have like 15 seconds to go through it. And if you're sure about the provided information, tap on confirm. So in order to verify your identity, you have to enter a 6-digit PIN. And after that, you've successfully purchased as well as converted coins on your crypto.com. So that was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.